EyeSpyLIVE is our live virtual tour system where agents and buyers can view a virtual tour together in real time. In the top right-hand corner, Pro users will see a status bar where they can change their status to online, offline or busy. When an agent answers a call, their status will change automatically to busy, so they cannot receive another call at the same time. When online or busy, agents can see every user in their account's status. But when offline, they won't be able to see any of the other users. Another way a user can turn EyeSpyLIVE on or off is to use the switch on the Publish window. If they do turn EyeSpyLIVE off and they have a pre-recorded video tour, then their viewers will be able to click a button in the corner to play this. Otherwise, if they keep EyeSpyLIVE turned on, then when their status is set to online, their clients viewing the virtual tour can call them by clicking the Start Live Chat button. Or they can start a chat with friends by clicking the Live button in the bottom toolbar. If they email this tour to a client, for example, the client will receive an email looking like this. When the client then clicks on the link in the email, they will be able to start a live chat with the agent or their friends and family. The customer can press Start Live Chat and all online agents in the same account will receive an incoming call on their devices. They will be notified of who answers if somebody picks up before them. Whilst the agent's device is ringing, they will see which tour is being viewed and from which location and device. Once an agent clicks Answer, the live tour will begin. The agent will see themselves in the bottom right corner and their client top left. All movements are mirrored on both devices. The agent or client can also add another person to the live tour at any time by pressing the Invite button. They can then send the link to the new user via various applications such as email or Skype. The new viewer can enter the live tour without the need to call the agent. And now all movements are mirrored on all three devices. Any viewer can open up an info label and all viewers will be able to see its contents at the same time. And just in case one of your clients doesn't have a microphone or speakers, you can also send chat messages during the live session. If you want to leave the live tour at any point, simply click the Hang Up button in the bottom toolbar, and the other viewers will continue the live chat without you until they are ready to end the call.